How to turn on notifications for a Twitch streamer. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Twitch and go to the person's profile, which is Twitch streamer. Now, make sure you have followed them. After you've followed them, you'll find a bell icon in their profile. Click on the bell icon in their profile. Here, turn on Go Live notification. After you do that, you will receive notification when channel goes live. You can also turn on Stories notification by making it always. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn on notifications for a Twitch streamer. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.